Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to unlink EA account on Steam. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up a web browser on your PC and just search for ea.com or go to ea.com, and from here just simply go ahead and click on this profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. So click on this and click on sign in, and from here just simply sign in into your account. You can sign in with the social media platforms at the top, or you can just simply sign in manually, so it will be depending on you. Now guys, once you are signed in, you will be redirected to the home page, and now just simply click on the profile icon again on the top right corner of the screen, and from here just simply go to account settings over here, and after that it will redirect you to the customer portal. And from here just simply go ahead and go to the connections down below over here, guys. And now from here, you should be able to see all of the connected accounts on your EA. And from here, you should be able to see the Steam over here. And you should be able to see something like this, Unlink. So guys, from here, just simply click on Unlink. And from here, just simply click on Send Security Code. And after that, an email will be sent to you. So just simply go to your email. So now the email will look something like this. So just simply copy the code, and after that just simply paste it over here and click on submit, and from there you should be able to unlink your account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.